Hey folks, welcome back to Ketchup to Caviar, and welcome back to Charlie's Place here in beautiful Niantic, Connecticut. Today we got a great dish. It's called a spicy Seafood Arabiatta Ala Linguine. I think you're going to love it. You guys ready? So what we have down here today is we have beautiful bombshell scallops again. We have beautiful shrimp, calamari. This is an infused garlic oil, cracked black pepper, spicy red pepper flakes. This is Charlie's famous marinara, one of the best marinaras I've ever had in my life. We've got over here fresh shallot, fresh garlic, and of course linguini. So we're gonna have a nice hot saute pan over here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of oil in here, just enough. Gonna season up our scallops over here, fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna put some red pepper flakes on our shrimp. And of course a little bit of salt and pepper on everything. We're gonna start off with the scallops. That sound you're hearing, you really want to hear that sizzle sound every time you're adding something to a pan, especially when you're doing saute. Hot, hot, high heat. Season side down, the shrimp. Gonna hang on to the calamari to the very end, because that's only gonna take about 30 seconds to cook. Now while this shrimp and scallop is cooking, I'm gonna do the shallots and the garlic. Just gonna do a fine little mince. And then the garlic. Take the whole clove, take the fat part of the knife, give it a nice little smash. And then a quick little chop. Keeps all the garlic going into the dish. All right, put that over here to the side. Let's go back, take a look at these shrimp and scallop for a second. Now you can tell by looking at there, there's a little brown caramelization on the bottom of those scallops. That's perfect. Same thing with the shrimp. I'm gonna take a look at these. Nice and brown. I'm gonna turn that heat up for a little bit of just 30 more seconds. And then I'm gonna add the shallots and the garlic. I'm going to deglaze with white wine. Then we're going to add our red sauce and extra seasoning. All right, guys. Adding my shallots. Adding my garlic. Now I'm going to turn my shrimp, turn my scallops over. We'll let that go for 10 more seconds, and I'm going to deglaze with white wine. 5, 4, 2, 1. So let this cook down for probably about 30 seconds or so. Now these shrimp are almost cooked, so I'm going to pull them out so I don't overcook them for the dish. Let those scallops stay in there for another 30 seconds or so. Now I'm going to add some cracked black pepper, some red pepper flakes. Adding it right now is going to help bloom those red pepper flakes. I'm going to add my red sauce, Charlie's famous marinara. Now I'm going to add some fresh chopped parsley right now. Add some nice color, and of course flavor. Right now, these scallops are almost done. So now I'm going to add back the shrimp. And now I'm going to add the calamari. Let that simmer down for about 30 more seconds. I'm going to taste that for seasoning. Awesome. Awesome. Little garlic infused oil. Now I'm going to add my pasta right to this dish. I'm not going to add it to the water. I don't want to dilute my dish at all. Bring all my seafood to the front. Toss my pasta. All right, this dish is done. All right, guys, now we're gonna plate it up. Like I always say, guys, the freshest ingredients go a long way. It's tough to beat this. It really, really is. Nothing but the best ingredients here at Charlie's Place. And to finish this dish off, we always do a little garlic toast points. All right, guys, so this is a spicy Seafood Arabiatta Ala Linguine with shrimp, scallops, fresh calamari, and of course, garlic bread toast points. Thanks so much for coming, guys. Thanks so much for watching.